Okay, so let's just run. This is the question 3 from the problem set. Let's just run through this one together. So the first thing we're going to do always with these is figure out the range. How much actual ground am I covering with the data? So that's going to be the highest value minus the lowest value. So you kind of have to sift through all of this and look for the highest value, which looks like 490 minus the lowest value, which looks like 49. So if I subtract 40, let's see, let me get my calculator up. If I do 490 minus 49, I get 441. The very next step, since I want 10 classes, is to divide that by 10. And I get 44.1. So then the only real tricky part is figuring out this is not a nice class width, right? It's not very pretty or easy to work with. So we're going to round that up to the next nice number. So the computer considers nice numbers. What you use is really up to you, but the computer only wants one specific nice number. So the nice numbers that they like are like 10 or 20, maybe 25, but that's not really that common. 50, 100, 1,000, things like that. 500. Those are the nice numbers. So this is always going to be close to one of these. That's how these problems are set up. So it looks like I'm going to round this to 50. So that's my class width. So each class is going to have a size of 50. But then the only real tricky part after this is to figure out where the first class is going to start. So you always want to start your first class at a number, the next number lower than the lowest data value. That's a multiple of 50. So what number that's less than 49 is a multiple of 50? Well, the only real answer here is 0. So we're going to start this at 0. And the starting points for each class are going to be the multiples of your class width. So this is going to be 50. This is going to be 100. The next one's going to be 150, and so on. So if this goes from 0 and this one starts at 50, this is going to go up to 49. This is going to go up to 99. This is going to go up to 149. This is going to go up to 199. And then you can see how the rest of the classes are going to look. And then you have the joy of just finding, okay, going through all the data and crossing out how many data values fall between 0 and 49. Well, there's just one. And then you could do that for all of these. 50 and 99, there is one as well. And you'll go through all the classes and do them one by one.